Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to edit an existing Google form. First, open your browser, click on the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Forms. From there, choose the form you want to update. Once it loads, you'll be in the editable version of your form. Simply click on any section to make changes. For example, you can rename name to first name and add another field for last name. You can also adjust the response types like changing multiple choice to short answer. And that's it. That's how to edit an existing Google form. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.